The best PC fans in 2023. 1. Noctua NFS12B Redux 1200. Inexpensive but performs great and less ugly than the old Noctua models. 2. Corsair LL120 RGB. Top-tier RGB lighting and surprisingly quiet at full speed. 3. Noctua NFA12X25 PWM. Impressively high airflow and lots of accessories included. 4. Cooler Master MF120RA RGB. Affordable RGB lighting and lots of airflow potential. 5. NZXT Air RGB 2120mm. Some of the best looking RGB and plenty of accessories included. 6. Thermaltake Tufvon 12 Turbo. Seriously impressive airflow at max speed and great for upgrading your water cooling rads. 7. Scythe Case Flex 120 PWM. Cable is durable and it's fairly inexpensive. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for links to purchase any of these products.